Hello everyone. Thank you for dropping by in for today's video, which is a walkthrough of our home design digital planner, which we're giving away at the moment. So hopefully you have grabbed your copy already, but if not, the details are in the description. So let's go ahead and talk about who is this planner for and what is it. So this is for design enthusiasts, DIYers, creators in the design space, homeowners, or even designers who just want to streamline the design process with our favorite miniHELPER. So this is volume 2 actually of the miniHELPERs, which are our digital notebooks, are our digital planners. And they are meant to be used in split screen mode while opened. They can help you with multitasking on the details that you have for your project, and it can be used also in full screen mode. You're able to keep track of everything related to your home design projects and be organized at the same time with our home design planner. So let's go ahead and do a walkthrough. Okay, so you walk through all the steps to downloading your complimentary home design planner, and you have your appropriate app that you'll be working in to actually take notes and write on the screen with. Any note-taking apps such as Samson Notes, Good Notes, Note Shelf, Penly, JNotes, just make sure it's a PDF note-taking app. Once you have imported your planner from whatever place that you have it saved and opened it up in the app, you'll be greeted with the cover and the welcome thank you page, where you have access to contacting us if you have any questions regarding this planner, or even if you have questions regarding a design project that you may need help with. The following page will be then your dashboard overview page with all the key or the main sections of the planner. And then you have a quick little navigation or visual navigation on how to use the hyperlinks of this planner. I advise you guys never to delete any of the original pages that are in the planner, as it ends up breaking up the navigation system or the ease of use from being able to use those hyperlinks. So never delete any original pages, because then you won't be able to jump from page to page, from a section to section later. In a later tutorial, I'll be able to show you the best practices or best ways that you can add or rearrange pages within the planner and to customize it to your need. That tutorial will be for beginners, intermediate users, and even advanced digital planners. So look out for that one. You have a tabs page with all the categories and topics that you can navigate through with just pressing each tab or title, and it takes you straight to that page. You also have reference guides on how to measure your space in order to plan, as well as source your items properly so they fit, and it's a little guide on how you should mark up your pictures. You are provided with 2 fully loaded project sections with vision boards, you have project scopes, financial investments page, which you can duplicate as many times as you like. Again, I'll have a separate tutorial on how to show you how to do that. The planner pages are designed in a way to help guide you through a project. And when I say guide you through a project, it means that it models our Trustkisha Design's workflow. So as this planner is a planner, but it also works as a workbook for our clients. And after your main project pages, you are provided with additional designer-friendly pages that go from cleaning checklists to your service contacts and meeting notes. So in the template section, you have an overview of all the templates that you have available, as well as some extra covers, bonus covers that you can rearrange according to your vibe at the moment. And again, you will have a tutorial on how to customize your planner, but these are all your blank pages provided to you, and you can be added to whatever sections you need them to go into. Again, do not delete pages, as the hyperlinks will not work. These pages are meant to be duplicated and added in to whatever spots you would like them to go in. Now we get to one of my favorite sections, which is the journey journal, which acts as a memory book or memory keepsake. You could write down all your notes from your projects here in this section, add any images that along the journey, so that way you could document how the process went. Also, if you have any notes from podcasts, you watched any YouTube tutorials that were helpful in designing, you can add those notes into the sections here as well. Now you see the customize section. This is an extra section to do whatever you want, and the cool thing about this section is it's hyperlinked. Each of those tabs are blank, but you can name them whatever you want. So for example, you could name them any room in the house that you want to design. If you have clients, you could have different project names for those sections according to whatever your workflow is. So you can use it however you like, and it's all for you. We have made it to the end. Thank you for walking through with me in this flip through. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, leave them down below. And also, if you found out along the way while you're working on your project that you do need some design help, we are here to help you out. If you're using this planner, we will love to see what you're using it for and how you're using it and how you're enjoying it. So don't forget to tag us in your post and hashtag #TrustedMiniHELPER. Have a good one, and cheers to the days ahead. Bye.